I felt so overwhelmed today. I woke up 2 hours later than when I usually wake up. So imagine waking up at like 8 a.m. and then waking up at 10 on a day where I had no school and I wanted to do so many things. I wanted to make my day count because I'm like my winter break's running out of time and like I just want to do so much stuff and like I just can't seem to do any of it. I woke up late. I can't do this and this. I just felt so overwhelmed. I had so many ideas that I wanted to try. I wanted to, try doing this, maybe like start doing this more often. I just had so much stuff going on in my life and I felt so overwhelmed. I was so depressed. I already went on my phone. I already went on the computer. I already watched some YouTube. I already did like, I basically felt like I ruined my day already. I was so miserable. As I was sitting on the couch contemplating my life, I was sitting there for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. And that in that time, I wasn't really doing anything. I was just sitting there, breathing in and breathing out, just thinking about the things that I had in my day. And then I realized, like, oh, well, I can just do this right now. I could do this thing I wanted to do here. And then this and this and this. And it actually started to feel like I could actually do the things I wanted to do that day. I could actually make that day count. As I was sitting on the couch, I just broke down the things I wanted to do. And then when I looked at it, like one by one, instead of seeing it as this giant thing and like I don't know where to start, it just seems so much more palatable, so much more easier to do. It doesn't sound like a lot, but just that little thing, that little push going for me in the right side made me do that other thing that I wanted to do. I wanted to write some videos for this channel I have right now, that I'm talking to you right now. As I was brainstorming ideas, I felt amazing. I really did. And it's so funny how literally 10 seconds ago, I was so depressed, I was so sad. And then 10 seconds later, I enjoy my life, I enjoy myself. So basically my best advice, bro, if you're feeling overwhelmed, like so much stuff's happening, you don't even know what to do, chill. Just chill out for 5 minutes. Literally just think about the things that are going on in your day that you want to do. Just chill. Take a deep breath. I know, like, take a deep breath, meditation, yoga, but take a deep breath. Just chill out for a second. Really think about the things that you want to do. I remember I was so stressed out about like all the homeworks and things in my school classes that I had to do. And then when I just broke it down like I did when I thought about my day, I just realized, oh, I could just do this thing now. I could do this later in the day. I can do this in the evening. Okay, well, this thing is happening. I could just do this right now. I'm sitting on the couch. You break your day up more and then it becomes easier to do. Really break it down and go step by step. Don't worry about the 20th step, but worry about the step that is in front of you right now. Take those steps and then worry about that 20th step. One thing I always found out is when I'm always in a rut, when I'm always feeling down, feeling overwhelmed with my life, is that it always 180s. One day I'm feeling miserable, the other day I'm feeling on top of the world. It always has a chance to 180, and this chance could literally be right now. You can feel more inspired, you could feel more motivated. And when you just get that first step, bro, like it just gets so much more easier. And your life doesn't feel that overwhelmed and stressful when you do that one thing. I was feeling terrible that I didn't do all the homeworks that I had missing. And then I did the first one, the next one, and then I already built up so much momentum and flow. It felt amazing when I did the other ones. So I was literally feeling miserable and then instantly 180 to feeling great. And I honestly believe you can do the same. Another bonus thing that really helps me is just going outside, just being in nature, experiencing all the fun things. Just the cool views, the nice air, the fresh air, it's way better. Cause bro, like right now my room smells terrible. There's cat poop in there, cat litter, it smells disgusting. There's dust everywhere, my room's getting renovated. It smells terrible in there. Just going outside for 10 seconds, it feels amazing. If you're feeling overwhelmed, bro, just know that you're actually trying. You're actually trying to change and you're better than all of them. You really are, man. We're all on the right path. We're going the right way. Keep on trying, keep showing up. And that's 90% of the progress that you can get. Just show up every day, make every day somewhat count, even if it does feel overwhelming. Chill out, break it down, do one thing at a time, and breathe. Got this, bro. The last thing I want to say is that if you want to talk to me more, if you want to surround yourself with better people that can actually help you and make you not feel as overwhelmed, join my Discord community. It's free. I'll be in there, give you value, help you. We can hop in a call, we can talk. So join that community right now. I'll be in there. Say hi, I'll say hi back, introduce yourself. It's a great place to be in. It definitely puts you in the mindset to not be overwhelmed. So if you found this video helpful or interesting, you found the right channel, bro. Click this video right here, subscribe to my channel. Chill out, bro. You're doing great, man. Chill out. Chill.